Hello there, hope you're fine and doing good. So I have developed this tool especially for LinkedIn navigation. In this video I am telling you how this tool will work for LinkedIn. So first of all we need to log in to LinkedIn through an ID and password. We can use any account for this. Just hit the start button here. This is the Chrome driver of this tool, so this will automatically log into the LinkedIn. You have to wait for just few seconds for login. So our login session is complete. Now search here what you want to search and extract the data. This can be anything. You can search with countries, with any string line you want to search. For example, I'm searching here for John. So just hit the start button, search button, and see the magic. It will put this John here, and these are the results are showing here for John. Okay, these are listings will be shown in our tool. Just 1 second, I'll let you show. Look, these are listings 10 by 10 because there are 10 profiles on one page, so now it is page 2. All listings will be extracted here. Automatically extracting here. So when you want to stop your search, just hit stop button and then select the profiles which you need to scrap the data. Let's suppose I'm checking these files. I need these John Foley, John Bickett, John Scaria. I need to scrap these profiles, so just hit this button. These profiles one by one will be extracted here and automatically unchecked here. Just see the magic. Go to John Foley. Okay, John Foley. See, it is extracted here and unchecked from here. There is no email available on his whole LinkedIn page, so it is empty. It will extract all the emails, phones, if the email is available on any place on the profile. he has no email. Look, this manager has no email there, but this tool extract this email through his backend description page. For any area, any place where email exists, it will scrap the email. Here email is not available in this file also. And also not available on his whole page. If we use premium account for this, then this tool easily can find these all emails and phones. Your email is not available. Your is not available. John C में now you want to search any other name. Just write the name and hit search button. See, we can apply filter here by address, also by title, by name. See all the listings available here. Just hit stop button and again check the files you want to extract and hit this button. It goes to this profile. Now it is unchecked here. Now let me tell you that if you want to export this data, you click this button, just make a file name, name profiles, select the path. I'm making a new folder on the new folder to on desktop. Okay, and select any format: CSV, HTML, text, XLS, Excel, SX. I'm using this. Just hit export